Students, today we have to discuss about a most important long question, that is moving coil galvanometer. First of all, this is the construction of a galvanometer. Understand? It consists of a coil PQRS having a large number of turns of thin copper wire, and this coil is wound over a non-magnetic material. This is your non-magnetic material. Generally it is made up of brass and which is suspended from a torsion head. This is your torsion head hatch, means गोटे स्क्रू द्वारा को एडजस्ट कर रखा है by means of a phosphorus bronze strip. It is phosphorus bronze strip in a uniform magnetic field of a horseshoe magnet N and S. Now this suspension wire has the following characters. What are the characters? It should be a good conductor of electricity. अति सहज रे ताइरे कोन होई परथो करंट पास होई परथो. It should be non magnetic material. Magnet ताको attract करू नथुआर अछि, and the temperature coefficient of resistances should be small. तारो resistance should be small थिबार अछि. Now a soft cylindrical iron core L is adjusted inside the coil in such a way that it neither touch to the coil nor touch to the pole pieces. And why we have to take the iron core? Because the iron core create a radial magnetic field. What do you mean by radial magnetic field? I will tell you later. I'll just one rakhi thao. It create a radial magnetic field. That is, the plane of the coil is in all positions remains parallel to the direction of the magnetic field. Just koi do china dekho. This is the north pole and this is the south pole. is a round touch pile coil ta भितर जेतले कि हमर इन कंटीन्यूअसली गड़िबो इन रोटेशन कंटीन्यूअसली हो ऊपर आडो हमें देखिले गोटे सर्कुलर पाथ गोटे पाइबा कंटिन्यू रोटेशन समय. But as you know, the lines of forces are created from north pole to south pole. So these are the lines of forces. Infinite number of lines of force are created from north to south. But as you know, the magnetic lines of forces never intersect to each other. So actually कौन होची? These are the magnetic lines of force. This is lines of force. ये इमित है कि ये actually इमित है कि याडे जीवो. ये कौन आवो इमित है कि याडे जीवो. ये कौन आवो इमित जीवो. ये कौन आवो इमित जीवो. ये कौन आवो इमित जीवो. Here all the lines of forces are parallel. Parallel is जाउची. Such type of radial field is known as such type of magnetic field is known as radial magnetic field because radius द्वारा parallel है जाउची. So in case of a radial magnetic field, theta, that is angle between direction of lines of force to the magnetic field, is always parallel to each other, hence theta equal to 0 degree. Now the lower end of the coil is connected to one end of a hair spring S dash. ए coil रो lower end रे कौन करियो गोटे spring कौन करियो नहीं थी बाहर रे गोटे delicate spring S dash hair spring बोलते हैं को आ जाए just हमारा मुंडर बाला वाली है गोटे पतला spring डा, and it is made up of quartz or phosphorus bronze, and the other end of the spring S dash is connected to terminal T2 and the terminal T1 is directly connected with the torsion head. The spring S dash has the following characters. It provides the passage of current for the coil PQRS. ये कौन देव कंटिन्यूअसली करंट देव टुवर्ड्स द coil. It keeps the coil in position. It keeps the coil in position means जदि इटा आमे फॉर एग्जांपल इन्वेस्टमेंट तुम दिया हो दिया समय कोइल टिके तलो को अछि बोले कोन करियो टॉर्शन टाइम दे एंटी क्लॉकवाइज रोटेशन करले स्प्रिंग ने उठेली कि नबो जोरा कि एकदम इ नॉर्थ पोल साउथ पोल रो एग्जैक्ट सेंटर इ कोइल थिले ही गैल्वानोमीटर फंक्शन करियो ऑन करियोनी. And it generate restoring torque on the twisted coil. Restoring torque कौन जेतोल कि ये एमती कंटिन्यूअसली बुली हो बिले it create a torque and that torque tau equal to BIA cos theta जोटा कि यार प्रीवियस क्लास रे हम पढ़ी छथि. सो रिस्टोरिंग टॉर्क कौन फॉर एग्जांपल देखो गोटे पत्थर नबा आम दौड़े बांधिक रोटेट कर पत्थर ये दौड़े कौन हो बिले the number of turns in the गंठी पड़ जाओ. सो यार जेतिकी टॉर्क क्रिएट होची that torque will be stored upon the string that is called as a restoring torque. And a concave mirror M is attached to the phosphorus bronze strip and this helps to note the deflection. केती galvanometer deflection होची ई concave mirror टा नोट करेगा. The whole arrangement is enclosed in a non-metallic case to avoid disturbance due to air. ये पूरा डायग्राम डा बा कंस्ट्रक्शन डा गोटे चैम्बर भीतर थिबो ड्यू टू एंट्री ऑफ एयर. The current to be measured is now passed through the terminals T1 and T2 and hence it will be observed that the coils get deflected. जो करंट आमे मापिवा से करंट तार दीटा टर्मिनल T1 और T2 को हमें देले the galvanometer is rotated inside the magnetic field and it calculates the amount of current with the help of galvanometer and these are the leveling screws. With the help of these leveling screws the entire instrument is leveled upon the surface. Now what is theory? Before study the theory we have to read what is its principle. Principle कौन whenever a loop carrying current is placed in a magnetic field it experiences a torque which tends to rotate it. जदि गोटे लूप करंट कैरिंग थाए ताको जे मैग्नेटिक फील्ड भीतर रखा जाए इट इज रोटेट इनसाइड द मैग्नेटिक फील्ड टू क्रिएट ए टॉर्क जो कि आगु पढ़छ टाउ इक्वल टू BIA cos theta. So let L equal to length of the PQ and SR, B equal to breadth of QR and PS. Now area equal to L into B. Let this area is taken as A. Let and let N is the number of turns in the coil. B is the strength of the magnetic field in which the coil is kept, and I is the amount of current in coil PQRS. Now as you know torque tau equal to NBIA cos theta, but for a radial field. Do you know radial field means all the lines of force are parallel. In a radial field theta equal to 0, so tau equal to NBIA if C is the restoring couple per unit angular twist. देखो एटा ला दोटा फर्स्ट रोटेशन एमती एंगल क्रिएट करी 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 गोटे राउंड पड़ुछि. सेकंड एंगल, थर्ड एंगल, फोर्थ एंगल, फिफ्थ एंगल. सो if C is the restoring couple per unit angular twist, then restoring couple equal to C into theta, where theta is the angle of twist. पहले देखो जो हम पत्थर टी गोटे दौड़ बांधि कंटिन्यूअसली बुलेबा एमती बुली 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 किसी समय रेस्ट पर से उल्टा बुलेबा थोड़े. That is called as equilibrium position. So at equilibrium torque tau equal to tau R. Tau means NBIA is equal to C into theta, or I equal to C by NBA into theta, or I equal to K into theta, where K equal to C by NBA. And this is called as reduction factor of the galvanometer. Now from this equation, if theta equal to 1, then I equal to K. Thus the reduction factor of a moving coil galvanometer is defined as the current required to produce a unit deflection in the galvanometer. Again from this equation, I is directly proportional to theta because it is a constant factor. So current inside a galvanometer is directly proportional to the angle of deflection of the coil. Now what are the merit of galvanometer? It is highly sensitive instrument and hence can be used to measure very small amount of current. जत्ते लो करंट थिले मध्य और सेंस पावर एते अधिक जे easily it can be measured. As current is proportional to the deflection produced, a linear scale can be used to measurement of this purpose. And what are the demerit? It is not portable. बोले easily आपको हमें स्थानांतरित कर परिया नहीं. And second demerit is it is not a direct reading. We have to make a lot of adjustment to use this galvanometer. हमें मूविंग कॉइल galvanometer यूज करियो चाहिबा हमें अनेक गुडी एडजस्टमेंट करियो पड़ियो. And what are the use? It is used to detect electric current in a circuit, for example Western bridge, and it is converted into ammeter by connecting a low resistance parallel to it, and it converted to a voltmeter by connecting high resistance series with it. Now an important question for you, that question carries 2 marks. A moving coil galvanometer is called as a deadbeat galvanometer. Why? What do you mean by deadbeat? Deadbeat. Dead means मृत बोली भाव बा खराब पाइगला. Beat means स्पंदन हवा. अर्थ हो बोले a moving coil galvanometer is called as deadbeat because when no current flows through the galvanometer, it is dead. यदि current नहीं ये किसी measure करियर नहीं. That is the pointer is at 0 and shows no deflection. But when current is flows through the galvanometer, it is beat. Current ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆମେ ଦବା galvanometer pointer ଟା କଣ ହେବ beat ହେବ. Hence for this reason a moving coil galvanometer is otherwise called as a deadbeat galvanometer. This is all about your moving coil galvanometer, and it is a very important long question. Diagram must be drawn in the examination. जते सुंदर न कले मध्य मु जिंदी हाथ रे काटी जस्ट रे काटी शो करियो पड़ियो. एक्चुअली कंस्ट्रक्शन टा कौन बोले गोटे सिलिंड्रिकल ये नब आयरन कोर ता भितर एमती गुड़े तो खाली गुड़े अपटा टर्सिन हेड्र कम कौन एमती आम एमती रोटेट कले तलू खसो एंटी क्लॉक वाइज रोटेट कले ऊपर को जाओ. तार कम हो दुईटा एक नॉर्थ पोल साउथ पोल भितर कोइलटा एकदम सेंटर रहिले ही ये फंक्शन कर, अदरवाइज कर. Next class we have to read sensitivity of a galvanometer, that is current sensitivity and voltage sensitivity. और गोटे क्लास लगे तापर पाठटा सरी. And moving coil galvanometer is also a very important long question. Read carefully. Thank you.